everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a hemispherical paper weight which looks like this diagram, diameter of 8 cm. Now, Mr. Tan always like to zoom in here, and when they give me diameter, Mr. Tan always like to indicate then what is my radius somewhere. So in this case, radius will be 8 divided by 2, 4 cm. Alright? So just to indicate here that the radius is 4 cm. That will help us a lot. And once I have that, find the volume of this paper weight. Then the volume would then be, this is half of a sphere, right? And we are given the radius 4 cm, which we have found out. So therefore, the volume in this case would then be equals to half of 4 over 3 pi r cubed. But take note that this r is actually my radius. So therefore, I'm not going to write r anymore. I'm going to substitute this value of r with 4 with a bracket power 3. And that will then give me a value of 134.041 to about 6 significant figure. Final answer to 3 significant figures, 134 cm cubed. Now, for part B of this particular question, we are required to find the total surface area of this paper weight. And at this point, I wish to highlight to you two particular surface of attention. One is this green color portion, which is the circle. So for this circle, this will be pi r squared. The next one would be this purple color surface, which is the curved surface area of this hemisphere. How can we find this? Well, for this, it is half of a sphere, so it's half of 4 pi r squared, because 4 pi r squared is the surface area of the whole sphere, so it is half of it. And therefore, in my working here, you would then see this, that when I try to find the total surface area of this particular paper weight, I will have pi, and the radius is 4 squared. And I will also need to add in the half of this 4 pi. The radius is also 4 cm squared. And using my calculator, this will then give me 150.796 to 6 significant figure, and the final answer 151 cm squared to 3 significant figures. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.